In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit in XM. Now, the first thing you have to do to be able to deposit is you actually have to have a real account. So if you don't have a real account in here, go up top, click on your account, and then click on real, and actually create a new account, and then go ahead and set that up. It's very easy and very quick. After you do it over here, you can then go ahead on the left-hand side, click on more, and then click on funding up top, and this is going to take you down here where you can click on deposit. Inside the deposit option, go ahead and of course select your account. I only have one, and then click on deposit again. And then over here, you'll be able to see all the different deposit options you actually have. So you have like cards, you have banks, you have PaySafe, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Skrill, Neteller, etc. Okay. So what you want to do first is you have to first verify your account. So click on this button, and you can go to the account verification. And then whenever you do this and you actually complete your account verification, you'll then be able to go ahead and select one of these deposit methods and just follow the instructions on your screen and then deposit money into your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.